get completely wrong. The difference between working hard and working smart. And I want to use something very specific to explain it: the Yahoo dating format. Now, before you roll your eyes, hear me out. I know you have seen 1,000 PDFs. I know you have bought formats from people who have never even run a successful conversation. I know you have copied and pasted scripts that got you blocked before you even said hello. So I am not here to sell you another PDF. I'm here to tell you why the format does not matter as much as the person using it. Think about it this way. You can give the same knife to 10 different people. One will cut themselves. One will cut vegetables. One will carve a masterpiece. The knife is not the problem. The hand holding it is the problem. The same applies to the Yahoo dating format. You can have the exact same script as someone else. They close, you get blocked. They get paid, you get ignored. The difference is not the words. The difference is how you deliver them, the timing, the confidence, the calibration. So let us break this down properly. The first mistake people make is treating the format like a weapon. They think if they just say the right words, the result will come. But a format is not a weapon. A format is a map. It shows you where to go, but you still have to walk the road yourself. The second mistake is speed. Most people rush. They see a message come in and they reply immediately. They think speed shows interest. But what it actually shows is desperation. If you reply to every message in 2 seconds, you are telling the person on the other side that you have nothing else going on. You are telling them they are your only priority, and nothing kills value faster than that. The third mistake is scripting. People read off a script like they are reading a grocery list. No emotion, no variation, no personality. They sound like a robot, and robots do not get paid. Robots get ignored. If you want to win, you have to sound like a human. You have to sound like someone who has done this before, someone who is calm, someone who is in control. And that brings me to the fourth mistake. Most people do not calibrate. They use the same approach on every person. They do not adjust for tone. They do not adjust for energy. They do not read the room. And then they wonder why it does not work. The best format in the world will fail if you do not know how to read the person on the other side of the screen. So here is what I want you to take away from this. The Yahoo dating format is not a secret. It is not magic. It is not the cheat code you have been looking for. It is just a tool. And like any tool, it is only as good as the person using it. If you want the actual format I use, not the copy-paste garbage that everyone is selling, but the actual framework that has been tested and refined, send a WhatsApp message to the number I have pinned in the description. Stop chasing PDFs. Start chasing skill. Day 5 is wrapped. Get to work.